Today I will share with you a very simple one. Another delicious meal. Fried winter melon. Smooth and refreshing after serving. Light, nutritious and delicious. Especially suitable for summer eating. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. First, we prepare a piece of white-skinned winter squash. Then use a knife to peel off the outer skin of the winter melon. When we choose winter melon, you need to choose this outer belt powder. This kind of winter melon is the most mature. It will taste better. After peeling off the winter melon, cut the winter melon into large pieces. Then cut off the flesh of the winter melon. Melon flesh has more moisture and the taste is not good. Then we cut the winter squash into thicker slices. The thickness is about 1 centimeter. Finally, cut the winter melon into long strips. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a carrot. Peel off the outer skin with a peeler. Then remove the head and tail of the carrot. Then change the knife and cut it into thicker slices. Finally, cut all the carrots into long strips. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a screw pepper. Cut off the chili pedicle first. And then we cut it into long pieces. Cut in half from the middle. Remove the chili seeds inside. Finally, cut the peppers into long strips. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare a few cloves of garlic. Slice it up. Then change the knife and chop it into minced garlic. After chopping, put it in a bowl and set aside. Prepare another small piece of ginger. First. Cut into filaments. And finally, minced ginger. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Add a spoonful of cornstarch to a small bowl. Pour in a small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let's make a water starch for later use. Next, pour a little more water into the pot. Bring water to a boil. Add a spoonful of salt and a drip of cooking oil. Then pour the cut winter squash and carrots down. Blanch the water. Flip it with a colander. Let it heat evenly. Winter melon and radish are thicker cut. It's not easy to ripen when fried, so cook it until they'll ripe first. Pour the chili down and cook it before starting the pot. After it's all cooked, we water it out. Pour into cold water prepared in advance to cool down. After cooling, control the moisture and put it aside for later use. Pour a little more lard into the pan. Then pour the cut onion, ginger and garlic down and fry until fragrant. You can see the video here. If you think my video if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Your every message and forwarding is what keeps me going. Thank you for your support and encouragement. After frying, then pour in the cooked winter melon. Then turn to high heat and stir fry quickly. Let both winter melon and radish absorb the fragrance of the spices and stir fry the excess moisture on the surface. Stir well and add an appropriate amount of salt to taste, a little sugar to freshen up, a little chicken essence. Add a spoonful of balsamic vinegar at the end. Then quickly stir fry evenly. Let the seasoning melt. Drizzle with water starch before serving in the pot. Thickness. Continue to stir fry quickly on high heat. It's very simple and delicious vegetarian fried winter melon is ready, and then it's on the plate. The winter melon fried according to this method is tender and refreshing, light, nutritious, and delicious. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. Click on my avatar to see more food videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.